We may assume that the flavour of the food we eat comes purely from its taste and smell. But, as students at the University of West London are learning, flavour results from a series of complex processes in the brain. Flavour is influenced by prior expectations, what we hear, what we see, and how the food feels, on our fingertips or in our mouths. Changing or masking the colour of food can transform how we experience its flavour. Restaurant menus and product labels influence how we evaluate food quality. So do cutlery and crockery, music, background noise, restaurant decor, and more. The West London Food Innovation Laboratory helps businesses harness some of these processes to develop products that are full of flavour. Panellists sample food and drink in our sensory booths, where sights, sounds, and other conditions can be manipulated. Blind comparison tests help food producers compare their products to competitors. Some products may require a satisfying crunch or a colour that evokes just the right sensation. Understanding the complexities of flavour is essential for professional chefs, restaurant managers, and food entrepreneurs. Find out more about culinary arts management and professional cookery at the University of West London.